Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by West Coast Silver Executive Chair Bruce Garlick. Bruce, great to have you back on. For viewers who are new to the story, who is West Coast Silver and what's so special about the Elizabeth Hill project?
Tyler, thanks very much for having me. And for those new shareholders and viewers that are unaware of West Coast Silver, we're a pure silver play up in the Pilbara, which is 2 hours away from Perth. It's just outside Karratha, about 40 minutes away on a sealed road. So it's a good location, and there's plenty of other mining operations around there. So we're in a good spot. The production started in the year 2000. We produced approximately 1.2 million ounces at a head grade of 2,200 grams a ton, and we processed approximately 17,000 ton, which is quite an amazing and actually spectacular result, almost pure silver actually. So we come from that background. The mine actually closed down due to the low silver price, which was $5 at the time, and that's a high, it's a far cry from today's almost $90 Aussie an ounce. So it's completely different.
And you've just completed a second phase of drilling at Elizabeth Hill. What were the key takeaways and what are the results so far?
Well, we divided it was diamond drilling. We divided it into two campaigns. Firstly, the shallow sort of campaign above the actual existing deposit. We found that there was a high-grade oxide material in that area in our first campaign, and we went back and started doing the drilling of that particular area to determine what facilities and also what sort of grades and size that we would have. And our assessment is that certainly it's very interesting, and we're just waiting for the assays to come back on that one, which we should have in approximately middle of December, early January. And we then went and did the diamond drilling in the deeper section, which is underground, and it was actually under the existing mine, which stopped at 105 odd meters. We went down to about 220 with 2 drill holes, and we've confirmed that there is further silver down there. Obviously, we have to wait for the assays again in terms of that, but we did find some native silver, etc., which we've published on our various ASX announcements, and that's really impressive results from our side, so we're very happy.
Stepping back, how do these results move Elizabeth Hill forward towards resource growth and ultimately development?
We've actually we've got this near surface potential that we identified in the first drilling campaign. We got some great results: 21 meters at 1,000 odd gram a ton, and also 10 meters at greater than 15,000 grams a ton of silver. So we really have an exciting development there, and we're looking at increasing our envelope of that open pit potential. And once the samples come back from the lab, we can look at doing an indicated JORC resource if that makes sense. We're also going into the 180 square kilometre tenement that we have, focusing on the Money fault, Elizabeth Hill fault, and there's a number of other faults there as well. So there's no question about number of targets, etc., and understanding what's actually happening. And we're looking at putting in using all the new modern techniques to assist our geologists. We also have a very interesting structural geologist who's with us from Canada, David Lewis. David's worked in Cobalt, Canada, which has got a very similar footprint to what we've got. So Dave's an experienced silver geologist, and he's coming over in January to go through what we do. And we're going to learn from Dave, which is good.
To close, what are the main catalysts investors should be watching from West Coast Silver over the next 3 to 6 months?
Well, the first catalyst is the 2 diamond drill holes, the deeper ones. We want to find out exactly what the assays are saying. And as I said, middle of December to early January, hopefully we're going to get those results from the lab. The next one is obviously the near mine air core program that we've done, tested both north and south from the actual mine site, the near mine targets. So that's really going to be very interesting from a geology perspective. And also, we're going to be doing drilling targets in 2026 from soils, etc. So there's a significant amount of development and activity that we're doing, plus hopefully get a JORC resource from the open pit, provided that all stacks up. And we're on a fully licensed mining license, so we don't need that many approvals to go ahead and develop an open pit. So it's really exciting times for us.
Bruce, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much. Bye.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.